How to use or redeem Walmart gift card online. Let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your Walmart account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right, you will find this option of account. Click on it. Head towards this option of account. Now at the left corner, you will find different options. Head towards this option of wallet. Click on it. With that, you will land to this page. Add a payment method. You're gonna find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of gift card. Now you have to fill this. Firstly, type in your card number and then type in 4 digits PIN. Likewise, type in your gift card nickname. If you don't have idea where can you find the PIN, you can find the PIN on the back of the card. Once you fill all these, you can click on the option of save card. With that, your payment method will be updated on your Walmart account. Now, whenever you check out, you can use gift card as a payment method. So this way, you can easily use or redeem Walmart gift card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.